Welcome to English Grammar Class, Rumki's educational channel. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. Instead of repeating the same noun multiple times, we use pronouns to make sentences sound better and smoother. Examples of pronouns: I, he, she, it, we, they, you. Maria is my friend. She is very kind. John and I went to the park. We had fun. Example in sentences: Lisa is my sister. She loves painting. Tom and Jerry are best friends. They always play together. My mom and I went shopping. We bought new clothes. They asked us to join them for dinner. She loved her new dress. Replace the underlined nouns with pronouns. 1. John is my best friend. 2. The teacher gave us homework. 3. Maria and Lisa love to dance. 4. The book is on the table. 5. Tom and I went to the movies. 6. The car is very fast. 7. My parents are very kind. 8. This phone belongs to me. 9. The students are studying hard. 10. The dog is barking outside. Take your time to answer. He is my best friend. She gave us homework. They love to dance. It is on the table. We went to the movies. We went to the movies. It is very fast. They are very kind. It belongs studying hard. It is barking outside. It is barking outside. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Rumki's educational channel. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning.